In front of me is REALME Narzo 60, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Password and Security. Then tap on Lock Screen Password at the top left corner and select one of those password types. You can always change it later on. Numeric, alphanumeric, or pattern. Then wait 5 seconds and choose Continue in Important Notice pop-up. If you wish to select a different login method, click on Use a different password type and click on one of the available ones. 4 digits, 6 digits, 4 to 16 digits, or pattern. I will go with pattern. Now you finally get to create it and repeat it in order to confirm it. If you wish to turn on fingerprint unlock right away, choose Enable in the pop-up and follow all of the instructions from your screen. If you don't want to do it now or ever, just tap on Cancel. So finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that face unlock. So sorry, that screen lock was applied successfully. If you wish to set up face unlock, you can do that right here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!